Hey guys, so if you don't know me, I'm Reggie Scales from North Carolina, and my goal has been to help people on YouTube, in person, and online to pass the TOEFL exam the quickest and easiest way possible. So if you feel like this is something that you like, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It's not only gonna help other people, but it will also help you too, because if you put your answers in the comment section, we will all give you feedback. So if you're ready, let's get this show on the road. Welcome guys, welcome back to another TOEFL video. I'm really excited about this one because as you can see, the quality is a little bit better and hopefully you can be able to enjoy the class a little bit more. I'm just really excited for this. So a lot of you guys have been asking me how I take notes on the TOEFL exam, how I can think pretty quickly about what I'm going to say, and I only have 15 seconds when I'm speaking. Well, in this video, you're gonna learn some tips and tricks for you to be able to connect your ideas, and you can always think quickly, even though you do not know what you're saying. And not only that, we're going to see an example of what students usually do that really prevents them from getting the best score possible, and also a perfect example so you can put it in practice to make sure that you get that high score that you want. Let's get started now. Well, personally, I prefer to spend my free time with others for two reasons. And first of all, it's because I can gain more knowledge. Nobody knows everything, so if I spend time with others, I can learn from them, and the things that I learn will benefit me in the future. For example, when I was a little kid, I spent some time with a friend of mine that was from Australia. Before that, I didn't know anything about Australia, but now I do. And because I spent some time with my friend that was from that country, well, I learned about where my friend was from, and I learned many different things that I never would have learned before. So that's why I think so. Okay, so what did you think about that example that you just heard? The example wasn't bad, but if you noticed, I only really gave one reason, and then I explained that reason and gave an example. But wouldn't two reasons actually be a lot better than one? One is okay, but I can definitely explain more if I were to give you two different reasons. You have to believe me if I did that. So now let's listen to the good example and see how you can imitate that. Let's take a look. Well, personally, I definitely prefer to spend time with others for two reasons. First of all, because I'll gain knowledge. Nobody knows everything. So everyone has some essential skills and wisdom that they can provide to another person, especially me. So what I can do when I spend time with them is augment my current abilities, thrusting me forward to be a better person. Moreover, I can have more experiences. I only know so much, and I can't learn all of that on my own. So if I spend time with others, I can get new ideas, explore different places, I can learn about their different backgrounds and gain experiences and skills from them as well. Did you notice the linking words that I used? I used a lot of so, I used a lot of and, I used a lot of because, and instead of regular vocabulary like important, I used the word essential. Instead of saying knowledge all the time, I used another word, wisdom. And instead of using increase all the time, I used augment. So the only thing that I'm doing, I'm keeping my answer very simple, but I'm enhancing it with TOEFL words, academic words that I know will give me a higher score. And also, because I have two reasons and I explain those reasons, you have to believe what I say. So what did you think about that? Use this video as a template for yourself, practice. If you want, in the comment section, you can put your own answer, and let's see how good you can do. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's not only going to help other people, but it'll help you too. In the comment section, other people will see just how good you're becoming. They're gonna give you encouragement. And if you write your answers in the comment section, they can let you know what they think about it too. All right, guys, see you soon.